Hello, I'm Victoria, your Renishaw Innovation Ambassador. Today we are going to be looking at some of Renishaw's motion control solutions. Renishaw is best known as a provider of advanced manufacturing and metrology solutions. We have a long history of creating tools such as machine tool probes, CMM probes, and most recently, our additive manufacturing solutions. If you're building something, we've likely touched and improved your production. Today, we would like to highlight a different side of Renishaw's technologies, our encoder systems. Renishaw primarily makes optical, absolute, and magnetic motion control systems. Today, we will look at two new additions to our encoder family. Renishaw has been around for over 40 years, and in that time, we've built relationships with many companies around the world. For over 15 years, Renishaw and our associate company, RLS, have produced high-performance magnetic encoder feedback solutions. Following the success of the original Axum in 2013, we have launched a second generation of absolute magnetic ring encoders, Axum 2. No matter how excellent the design, a robot still relies on the components it's built from, and the Axum 2 lives up to those performance expectations. Along with a new hardware design, the firmware has also been improved, enabling Axum 2 to read position at an update rate of up to 20 kilohertz, thus increasing servo bandwidth. Most notably, the new self-calibration feature improves the accuracy of the ring's eccentricity error after the encoder's installation. Although regularly utilized in a myriad robot applications, the Axum 2's flexibility lends itself to easy integration in a wide range of applications and industries. The Bionic series of digital encoders was specifically designed with the machine builders in mind. The system provides high repeatability, ease of use, superior dirt immunity, and has multiple configurations that provide maximum flexibility. As the system outputs digital signals, it requires less components as it does not need an interface. For the most demanding applications, Bionic provides subdivisional error of less than 10 nanometers and resolutions down to 2.5 nanometers. Bionic is available in a wide range of configurations to optimize the speed and performance of your motion control systems. So if your applications require an optimized configuration for speed and accuracy, the Bionic series may be the ideal choice. Renishaw is always looking towards the future. Our hope is to constantly provide innovative solutions that our modern world requires. Our encoder systems are building the smart factories of the future and the robots that will enhance our daily lives. For more information, visit the Renishaw or RLS websites for your complete motion control solutions. Until next time, I'm Victoria, your Renishaw Innovation Ambassador.